It's a beautiful dark common. So I've probably been on the fishery now for about an hour and a half. I was just doing a few Instagram stories, and the next thing, the rod ripped off when I was stood right next to it, which was quite convenient. Gave a good scrap. Beautiful little fish. I've not had this one before. It's got some really distinctive markings on this side, so I'm going to swap it around in a moment. But yeah, so this one fell to a 15mm pink pop-up squid scopex. Beauty. A beautiful morning. So last night was a success. Got one in the net there. It's been sat there for about 45 minutes chilling. So last night about midnight I decided to put one of my rods in the margins. I've never really had any success on this lake in the margins, but the reason I decided to do it was simply because the last few nights I've actually spent on this place, I've not produced anything through the night. It's been one of them fisheries where it just seems to be alive through the day and then dead at night. So I thought, right, I've absolutely nothing to lose, so I'm going to stick one in the margins and feed it up a little bit. So about midnight I fed up a spot literally about one wrap out, left it, and then it's gone off this morning, so buzzing with that. Got a nice common in the net. I've not seen this fish before, so it's one I've not had. It's off to a good start this morning. The lake's got a lot of activity on it, little ones sort of splashing out everywhere. I've seen the odd big one, but it's looking good. I've got wind in my face, which is never good, but looking beautiful. There's my mate, ready to catch some more hopefully today. I'm on here till probably quite late tonight. I've got a friend of mine coming on today, so fingers crossed for a few more. That's 2 I've had since I've been on. Pressure's off, buzzing, same tactics again, seems to be working. To be honest, I thought it was a load of ducks picking up the bait, but it turns out there was a fish on the end, so I ran over to it. It was probably about 1 rod length out. It was a bottom bait tied up boilie. Absolute beauty of a fish. It was a bit of a nightmare to land.
I just caught a fish.